Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some faux mums. That's the fancy word for fake. They are beautiful. Look at these. They are so full, so colorful. These are fade resistant. I have not had these outside, but I have other versions of these. I've had them out all summer in the direct sunlight and they still look as great as the day that I brought them home. This is how they come. You get a whole box of them. They're very smooshed. I took these out last night. I did nothing but put these in a vase, and you can see that they really perk up once they are out of the box and once they are out of the packaging. You can take these have a little bit of wire in the stems, and you can open these up if you want and spread them out. If the flowers come off, do not worry. You can just push them back on. They go right back on. So you get several different colors. You get this beautiful burgundy color. You get a gorgeous orange color, and you get a yellow. I do love that the stems on these are different. So you can see that you get the like plain stems, and then you get the stems with sort of like the foliage on it. So we have those for the orange, and it is the same thing for the yellow. You get the two different stems. And then you have the burgundy. So gorgeous. I can't wait to put these outside. I just pop these into a pot with dirt. So let's take these outside and see what they look like. Okay, these UV resistant artificial mums are great. You just stick them in a pot or a vase and that is it. The colors are so vibrant and the leaves are so lush and realistic, and they are zero maintenance. These are great if you have a lot of deer in your community like I do, where we can't have nice plants because the deer eat them all. They're also great because I find that mums are really hard to keep looking good. If you get a really hot snap in the fall, they die. These will be looking great the entire season. So if you're looking for a versatile decor option, these mums are it. You are going to love them. I highly recommend.